So, I think this was where I was. Have you done this yet? If you haven't, hit pause already and take a minute you're going to give all of the names to each of the quadrilaterals listed here. Okay? I don't have anything to write with. So, here we go. This one, we've got two sides that are each parallel, so it's a parallelogram. We also have four 90-degree angles. That makes it a rectangle. It doesn't have equal sides, so it's not a rhombus and it's not a square. So here's where we're done. This one has only one pair of parallel lines. That makes it a trapezoid. And that's it. This one, it's got two pairs of parallel sides, if I can draw. It's a parallelogram. It also has four right angles, which makes it a rectangle. It also has four sides that are the same length. That makes it a rhombus and a square. This one has two pairs of parallel sides. That makes it a parallelogram. It also has four sides that are the same length. That makes it a rhombus. Okay? Next. What happens if we do this backwards? What if I give you the names and ask you to draw them? So, for example, we want to draw a parallelogram that is not a rhombus. Now, a parallelogram has two sides that are equal, or that are parallel, two pairs of sides. So I've got a side up here and a side here. But it's not a rhombus, which means I can't make these two sides the same length as these two sides. They have to be different. So my parallelogram is going to end up looking like that. These two are the same, and those two are the same, but they're not the same as the other pair. We want to draw a rhombus that is not a square. So we have to have four sides that are equal, but we can't go to the 90-degree corner bit. So I want to make sure that when I draw my four sides, I have at least one that's smaller than 90 degrees, which is going to give me the others that are larger than 90 degrees. But essentially, they're all the same size. And then we want to draw a trapezoid that is also a rectangle. Now, a trapezoid only has one set of parallel lines. The other two lines cannot be parallel. However, that's the definition of rectangle, which means this is impossible. Good? All right, your turn. So, your job, you are going to name the types of quadrilaterals that have these four properties. So you're going to give them all the names that they should have. Then you are going to draw two figures for me that fill these particulars. Okay? And as always, I want stars on the easy things, I want vocab highlighted, and I want hazard symbols where you have questions. Okay? So, have a good evening, and I will see you tomorrow at math. Thanks.